Oh, we are so excited to tell you about this pre-owned vehicle because we finally got our hands on an FJ Cruiser here at Burge Toyota. We see these a couple times a year, but I personally have been a part of the Burge family for like 18 months, and I haven't gotten to see one in person because they go fast. So we're really excited we get to tell you about this beauty, a 2013, and in great condition, James.
Very nice, yep. 106,000 miles. Some people like 106. It should have a lot more. Arizona average is 15,000 miles a year. This was a leased vehicle and she loved it so much she bought it after the lease and she's kept it ever since.
Yeah, and she only traded it in because she was at a different phase in life. She wanted to get a different type of Toyota vehicle that we sold her. And she was an outdoorsy type of gal, but she was more of a hiker.
Yeah.
She wasn't tapping into the potential that this car has for off-roading capabilities. So if you're looking for an FJ to hit the trails in, that aspect of this vehicle is going to be brand new to you, and it's got what it takes.
It does. From the factory, it came with an off-road package that gave you Bilstein shock absorbers, a locking differential, crawl control. So there's a lot of items that I don't think she's ever tested.
Yeah, what else would you tell people about this car? Because we know that the FJ is a little bit more than just a car that's gonna get you from point A to point B. It kind of comes with a sense of community and that high demand for being in that FJ Cruiser family.
That's why they go so quick. I mean, there are social media groups in the thousands. There's a following, like a nostalgia to it. So it's not just the car, it's an FJ. When you're in the Toyota world, that it means something. Yep.
Yeah, I love that. And it is in great condition on the inside. We know the history. We know that it was serviced well with Toyota dealerships, and it's ready to be somebody's dream car right now. So
right now.
What would you like to tell people if they want to come test drive, James?
Sure, Kristen, just call 480-251-9783
and ask to go for a test drive. That's
All
simple.
right, get on the phone because this is going to go fast.